Today we are going to learn Python list comprehension. For that, go to a online editor. I'm using online-python.com. Suppose we have a message like this. So this is a list. So list has these dictionaries. So we want the output like this. It will be another list and the dictionary, and each dictionary will have these words. It will capitalize this word. So if there are two words, it will capitalize two words. So how do we do it? So for that, we will first write a function. This function, whenever you send a dictionary, it will actually change the content to uppercase. So this is the uppercase thing, and it will add process content in front of it. So we have the function now. So what we need to do is we need to write the code like new list equal to, and for m in messages we will append it. So new list dot append, and then we will put this function and pass this thing as a variable. We'll print see this is the output. Now actually we can write there is a shortcut for this. So like here, like you can see that we are appending it, we are creating a new list. So there is another way to do it. So for that, let me first point it out, and then we will write it like this. Equal to, and we'll create a list, and then we will call this function convert, and we will say for m in messages do this, and then print the message. So I'll explain it a little bit later. So let me just run it. So you'll see that we are getting the same output like this. So what is happening here? It is actually doing two things. First, it is creating a new list for us, and then it is actually appending it. So whatever, so for this one, similar to this, it is passing the n to the function, and then it is converting this list of dictionaries to another list of dictionaries. So this method, this is this way, actually there is a name for it. So the name of this shortcut is called list comprehension. So this is an example of list comprehension. So all it means actually, instead of writing lots of lines, you can just create a shortcut like this.